Welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial. Now let us look at this interesting math question, and it reads that x raised to 2, then in bracket, then 4 raised to x raised to 2, then close bracket, then equals 1. Okay, so and we have to solve for x. So how do we go about this? So if we take a look at this exponential equation, you get to notice that we have x raised to 2 here as a base and x raised to 2 as an exponent. Alright, so let us solve this exponential equation by substitution method. Okay, so let's say let x squared, let's say, be equals to a. So which implies that wherever we see x squared, then we'll replace it with a. Alright, so we have it that a then into 4 raised to a then equals 1. Okay, so the next thing we just need to do here is let's divide both sides by a. Now this clears off this, so we are left with 4 raised to a then equals 1 over a. So the next thing we need to do here is to see a way to take this a, which acts as an exponent, to become an exponent to this. Okay, so then how do we do that? All we just need to do is to raise both sides of this equation by the reciprocal of a. Okay, so this becomes the 4 raised to a then all raised to the reciprocal of a then equals 1 over a all raised to the reciprocal of a. So by doing this, this one clears off this, so this becomes 4 then equals 1 over a all raised to 1 over a. So at this point now, our 4, which is this, can be written as 2 raised to 2 then equals 1 over a all raised to 1 over a. Now we can see from this that the left hand side and the right hand side, by comparison, you can see that 2 is raised to itself, then 1 over a is also raised to itself. So by comparison, we can agree that 2 equals 1 over a. So which implies that a will be equals to 1 over 2. Now, but take note that we're actually looking for x and not a. So to this point now, and we know that x squared equals a, so we can now replace our a for x squared, so which implies x squared then equals 1 over 2. Okay, so and at this point now, let's square root both sides of this equation. So this becomes the square root of x raised to 2 then equals to plus or minus the square root of 1 over 2. So why this clears of this, then our x then equals the square root of plus or minus, rather, the square root of 1 over 2. So the two solutions that satisfies the equation is x equals the positive of the half of the square root of 1 over 2, or negative the square root of 1 over 2. Final answer. Please don't fail to share this video with other learners. Thank you. Bye bye.